In this video, we're in Microsoft Excel, and I want to show you how to delete characters before or after a specified character, for example, a space or a comma. I'm going to show you three different methods for achieving this. First uses simple find and replace. Second uses something called flash fill. And then the third method uses the replace function. Let's use the first method, find and replace. First step is to select all the cells that you want to delete characters in. And don't forget, in this example, we want to delete everything before or after a space. Control H to open the find and replace dialog box. First of all, we're going to delete the last name in each of these text strings. So that's all the characters after the space. Now to do that, you type your space in the find what box, and then you put in the little asterisk character, Shift and 8 on your keyboard. You leave the replace with box blank, and then you just click replace all. It'll tell you how many replacements it's made. All you need to do there is just click on OK. And you can see it's deleted everything after the space. Now I'll just undo that, Control Z on my keyboard. If you want to delete the first name, in the find what box, you type star space. And then if I click on replace all, it gets rid of all the first names. I'll just click on OK to confirm. Okay, let's move over to our second example. We have a comma and space in these names. I'm going to select all the names, and I want to delete the last name. So what I would do is I would type comma space star and then click on replace all, and that gets rid of all the last names. To get rid of all the first names, so let's just undo what I've done. I would type star comma space and then I'd say replace all. Click on OK to confirm. Okay, let's deal with the last example. If I select all of these product names, what I want to do is delete the brand name from these product descriptions. I would say star space dash space and then replace all. And I'm just left with the product names without the brand. In summary, if you want to delete everything before a character, put the star before that character in the find what box. If you want to delete everything after a character, put that star after the character or characters in your find what box. I'll click on close and we'll move on to the next method. When you use flash fill, you have to use it in a separate column to your original data. So in column D, I want to extract the first name from column C. What I do is I just type an example for Excel in column D, so the first name, and then Control Enter to confirm, that leaves me in the cell. Control E to employ flash fill. Now I can do the same over here for the last name. I type an example of what I want to extract. Control Enter to confirm, Control E to flash fill. Let's try the same thing with the product names. I want to exclude the brand. Again, I would just type an example. Control Enter to confirm, Control E to flash fill. Okay, that's flash fill. Let's move on to the last method, which uses the replace function. Now, using a formula to extract characters is useful because formulas stay up to date if the original data changes, and it's also really easy to copy a formula down a column. The function that we're going to use in this formula is called replace. Equals replace. The first argument is alt text, and that's asking for the text string that you want to replace characters in. that's in C3 in our example, comma, start number. What's the first character you want to replace? Well, the first character we want to replace is the space between the first name and the surname. Now what I need to do is find the position of that space, because the space is in different positions depending on the length of the first name. And I can do that using the find function. Find text, a space, within text, within the name cell. Then if I close the bracket, comma, number of characters that I want to replace. Well, that will depend on the length of the last name. I don't know how long the last name will be in any particular name, but I'm going to say 25 as a maximum, comma. New text. What do I want to replace my old text with? Well, I don't want to replace it with anything. I just want to delete the last name. So the new text is an empty text string, 2 quotation marks with nothing in between. Close the bracket, press enter, and then I can copy this formula down. Now if I want to extract the last name, I can also use the replace function. My old text is the name, comma, position of the first character that I want to replace. Well, I'm replacing the first name with an empty text string, so the start number is 1, comma, number of characters that I want to replace. Well, that will be the position of the space within my name. And we know how to find that. I can say find a space within this text, comma, and the new text is an empty text string. I can copy that down and it will return the last name. Let's just do one more example. I want to exclude the brand. Equals replace. Old text is my product name. Start number is 1, because the brand is always at the start of the product description. Number of characters, I have to use the find function to calculate the position of the text string space dash space. So find text space dash space within text I3, close the bracket. Now what that will do is it will return the position of the first character within this text string, so the first space. Now I want to replace up to the second space. So in other words, 2 more characters. So I'm going to say +2, comma, and then the new text is an empty text string. Close the bracket, press enter, and then if I copy this down, you can see that I get the product name without the brand. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next video.